Hi everybody, welcome back. I got another video for you guys, but first I want to thank all of you who has subscribed to my channel. And I love fishing, I love doing outdoor activities, and thank you guys for subscribing, and I really appreciate it. My video, I went on 2 trips. The first trip I didn't do too well. Me and 3 other friends, and we didn't do too well. We only caught 3 fish the whole day, and that was disappointing. But 2 days later, I want to go redeem myself because I feel bad because I only caught 1 fish that whole day. And like I said in my previous video, there are days that I skunk out, and this is one of those days that I almost skunked out. I caught 1 fish. I went 2 days later with my brother-in-law, and my brother-in-law, he loves fishing, but he's a little bit older now. His vision isn't as well as it used to be. So I love taking people with me, and I thought maybe I'll take my brother-in-law because I promised him that I was going to take him ice fishing. We went and we got to the lake. We drove out. We had our nephew with us. His name is Nathan. And if you see the video, there's a part where I was riding on the sled while they were on the ATV, and I fell off. And when I fell off, I hurt my shoulder really bad. I mean, it's been a week and a half since then, and I could barely lift my shoulder up. And me being stubborn a little bit, I never went and got checked, so I'm just hoping that it'll heal up. My left shoulder here is still in pain. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll try to get that done, and we'll see. So enjoy the video, and we'll talk again afterwards. You talk to her. Oh yes. Oh, right here. Hit on the fly. Oh, came out. Oh, yo, no, don't go back in there. Oh, you hello. Oh. Okay, another one by me. Oh, ต่อแล้วชีนี่ปลาเลยนี่จริงยังแต่เท่ Wow, that one will not give up.
nó có tụ cá hả cái nào
Ni cho cái tụ cá chỉ tỏ na. Okay, there we go. Whoa, that one he came back and got it.
yeah.
Oh, this one's pretty big. So nice. Thank you for coming back. Yeah. Put the tay đó còn sao? Tiếp là nữa.
Mua tàu nhiều cho tôi.
Have to put the grip of death on this guy. Okay. Very good. That's one. One for me, one for you. Yeah, anh là cái tủ.
No.
Yeah, cái tủ sẽ cái tủ sẽ sầu nữa. Tao là ba tao ta.
Oh yeah.
Chua cái. Hayจะกูบอกหมดตายก็ตื่นใจละจ้ะมาละเว้ยสักๆโอเคดูลำจีสุดต่อละโอเคต่อละรถน้าหลอกเลยก็บอกว่าละต่อละเยอะตัวก็จะจั่วจะปูดีลินนะแล้วดอกกระตุ้นเรากูชาเลยใช่กูตัวละอยู่เตาเลย There it comes. Oh yes. Oh, it's a walleye.
Oh, walleye. Huh?
Oh yeah. It's a walleye. Nice. Look at that. Nice walleye.
Để chỉ mua limit size bây giờ.
Nó chỉ một limit size đó nó, ta chỉ lấy cái khởi tu xí.
Để phụ nữ tu sinh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, nice walleye. What a nice surprise. Beautiful. Yeah. Chỉ là. Oh, sắp có được cá hậu á. Okay, so extra weight on the bottom, on the purple. Check a shot. Oh, oh, plala. Yeah. What's up, plane? Okay. Oh, cô tụi nó chén hả? Cô cho nó hở tụi nó chén. Yeah, okay, chén lại. Come on, stop circling around my bait. Take it. Oh, it's coming to you right now. He's looking at yours. Yep, he's looking at yours. Come on, take it. There you go. Keep it tight. Yep, good job. Oh, you lost it?
Yeah.
We lose too many. Hey, Nate. Oh, yeah, we got 3. I lost 1.
Oh, ready?
Yeah. You gotta come over here? Yeah, just fighting?
Yeah, I got a big one on the screen.
Yeah, just come over here.
Are they aggressive?
Yeah, they are. One of them, I raised it up pretty high, and he still came and got it in probably like 3-4 feet off the ground. Yeah, so just come around us. Okay, bye. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is that 5?
I got 5. 5 and 1 walleye.
5 and 1 walleye?
Yeah. Nope, it's coming to you. 2 of them coming to you now.
Yeah.
3, one on the bottom, 2 on top.
Giá trị 28 nó giá là tụt tròn.
Yeah. T28 coming to you.
Yeah. Coming down. Going down. Nhà là chị tổ tư bây giờ tiền người gì nhà muốn dùng nó chị lớn chị những kiện gặp họ tao ta
Này giờ chị này tròn bầm đó.
nhà một tròn bom thế thế tàu rồi có phòng này to thế cho mình sinh ra nè
Là bỏ tua giải này thế nào?
tại hồ
Bỏ trò thế là chỉ trò.
trò mà trò thế có bông cho nó bị thế này có bông trò tại
Tua
những
thế
đám
à?
tàu chúa ba tàu cá nó sẵn đi ở trò xe lăn giữa
Có cái da thế đó. Kinh thời da thế đó.
trò giá cú chừng một cờ giữa đó cú một sừng ấy cho lấy một cờ nữa một sừng kia là một lời cho chú nọ cái chân gì trâu nữa
Okay. Oh, you got it. Pull it. There you go. Chú kia, một cái chú kia cả này sơn đi á. Một chú kia, cái chú chỉ nên đi cái kia á. 사실 저 주가 네 선디스. Good job. 4 more. It's 12:11 right now. Oh, a bunch of fish coming to me now. Oh, here it is. Oh, yes.
fly up
Yes. Come up to land. Oh my goodness. Yeah, blow thêm một giọt sữa. Yeah. Blow thêm một giọt sữa. Nó dễ nè. He dropped my wax for me. I'm gonna use it again. Yeah. Yeah. Cuối thay mà ta chỉ nói cuối thay ít ưa. Cái hai lối vậy mình record ít xí. Cái tiểu của nó qua cái lại học video mà ở cho YouTube.
Yeah, mua tao ấy. Mua tay để kia thế nó sai.
Yeah. Bên nữa cú chỉ nhớ lại mới cho là xe. Giờ còn mới cho bên nữa ôi thường chỉ là có. Trăm chi. Từ bên thu đẻ ô. Bên thu đẻ à. Bên thu là cú thế. Cú what I do is I lift it up. And so the line's tight. And then I just drop it down and just shake it back up. Drop it down. Oh, it's looking at your top one. Okay, just shake it right there. Just stay right there and shake. Oh, I missed it. Oh, I missed that one. Okay, it's looking at your top one. Right there. Just shake it right there. What? Drop it back down. I better check my wax worm might be gone. Yeah, my wax worms are gone. I think I jerked too hard and I lost my wax worms. Okay, here comes one. So if I see him come, I'll just stay right there, just shake a little bit, go up a little bit, drop it back down. Oh, it's looking at yours. That's a big one. Looking at your top lure. Tao rồi hả? Nó con nó chén rồi. Cái từ wax worm bao mà nó họ bỏ luôn down để bởi cái từ wax worm. Oh, ít thứ là con này. There you go. Come on, take it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes, good job. Keep it tight. Good job. You want to use the scooper? Oh, that's a big one. Oh yeah. Good job.
Nếu như nó không như thế thì bên không chỉ tao trâu này cũng này.
Play có cho rời có không à? Bắt đầu. Rồi của bác cơ mà. cắt tiêu wax rồi bón nó cá đó họ cắt thù rồi. Okay, tao có phá cả. Like a little jacket. The little jacket. Oh, he bit the baby bass.
Mm-hmm.
Well, not the baby bass. You're a little shiner. Okay, very good. Let me see how much you got. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6, no?
You got 6. Yep.
Oh, okay.
4 more.
4 more, huh? 4 more, so we can go home.
Yeah.
I will get my limit.
Yeah. First time this year. You will get your limit this year.
Yeah. I'm home. I need 1 more to catch up. 4
Yeah.
more to go home.
Oh, chỉ là cái tủ.
Đó.
Yep.
Đấy,
Ôi dồi.
chẳng tiền này.
Là cái tủ đó của tủ.
Đào bể thế à?
Là của là.
Cú. Tôi chơi luôn nè, trâu có.
Well, what's the count out there?
Are you limit?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
Six on this side. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 on this side.
Oh.
Plus the walleye. Who got the walleye?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
He's about the same size as mine.
Yeah. So you got what? 1 walleye and how many?
1 walleye, 1 whitefish.
Come on, Mr. Clutch.
Hey
Supposed
man,
to
I'm
clutch
out
it.
of it. I need my dad here.
Hey, just drill closer to us because the fish are coming.
I see them. They're just. Are you guys using the baby bass?
The baby bass and a fly on top. You need a fly?
Oh, I got a fly. I put like. Been using it, but they're just very.
I'm using the purple bottom and yellow gold on top.
Oh, the gold minnow.
Nope, not gold minnow, just wax from on a gold hook.
Yeah, they're cubby. They're
Just not biting,
all
huh?
over the place. So we got it. We got time.
Yeah.
Right there.
Here it comes. Come on, come on, come on. Take it.
I'm gonna keep fishing.
All right. Another one. There's one by me. Come on.
Oh.
Yeah, keep it tight. Yep. Good, good, good job. Okay. Wait. Okay, bring up. You can call it. Okay. Okay, here you go. Oh, no. Don't go back. Don't go back. Good job. You got 7. I got 7. Oh no. Oh.
My goodness.
Oh.
Phải supply cho cá đồ đi chứ.
I know ya. Thanh thôi cho khó đó.
Tôi biết tu nữa.
Oh, tủ là.
Yeah.
Let me see. Get this
Oh
out.
my goodness.
It's okay. I mean, we have to fish longer. We managed to get our limit. So we got 3-man limit plus 3-man limit on walleyes as well. My brother-in-law say that we double limited, which is true. Not double limited in whitefish, but in 2 species. You know, hopefully you'll learn something from me, or at least it'll be entertaining for you. So, you know, share with your friends, subscribe, and it doesn't hurt to push that subscribe button or the notification button. I'm doing this for fun. I'm not doing it for the money. There's no money in this, but I'm just doing this for fun. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next video.